Well, guys, I'm here. I was putting some soil in my grapes, and while I'm digging, I saw this thing here. Don't know what it is. I have no idea, but we're gonna find out. It looks like a post. No man, this looks like a clamper. Come. This is a tool right here. I don't know what is it. You see? To me it's like it's a tool. Some type of tool. This is like the handle. What do you guys think? Oh, these guys. It looks like it's a tool. You guys have any clue what this is? I know what it is, guys. Please let me know in the comment section. I have no idea. Look here, guys. You see it have, come closer. You see it have this right here. It basically have this. I don't know what this is. And this piece look like it bent. It have a little curve, but it look like a special tool. Please let me know in your comment section, guys, what you think and what this can be. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.